The National Electrical Code, also known as NEC, addresses the use of soldering in electrical connections. Article 110.14. C of the NEC states that solder shall only be used when specifically permitted in the code. Additionally, where solder is used, the solder joint must be made mechanically secure before soldering. Addressing aluminum wiring, NEC Article 310.15. V3 allows aluminum conductors to be joined with approved connectors or splicing devices, or by solder splicing. Soldering can provide a safe and permanent connection when joining aluminum wiring to copper pigtails, assuming proper techniques and materials are used. Here's a procedure to follow. Firstly, prepare the wires by stripping the ends of both the aluminum wire and the copper pigtail approximately 1 inch. Use a wire brush to meticulously clean any oxidation from the aluminum wire. Secondly, apply anti-oxidant paste. Coat the exposed aluminum wire thoroughly with a layer of anti-oxidant paste. This crucial step prevents corrosion. Thirdly, twist the wires. Tightly twist the aluminum wire and the copper pigtail together to ensure a secure mechanical connection. Fourthly, apply solder. Using a soldering iron, carefully apply solder to the twisted connection. Hold the iron in place for a few seconds. This allows the solder to flow evenly and create a strong, reliable joint. Fifthly, insulate the joint. Once the solder has cooled, completely cover the soldered joint with either heat shrink tubing or electrical tape to provide proper insulation. There are a number of benefits of soldering. Soldering creates a solid connection with very low resistance, greatly improving electrical conductivity. Soldered joints are highly durable and resistant to corrosion, making them well suited for long-term use in electrical systems. Soldering is an approved method for splicing aluminum wiring according to the NEC. Soldering can indeed provide a very safe and permanent connection between aluminum wiring and copper pigtails if it is executed correctly. Remember, it is important to always follow proper techniques. Ensure that you use anti-oxidant paste and adhere strictly to all NEC requirements. While this process may be more labor-intensive compared to other methods, it offers a reliable solution. It effectively addresses the potential hazards that are often associated with aluminum wiring, while also ensuring both safety and long-term durability of the electrical connections.